Did you know that your washing machine is a breeding ground for toxic mold and bacteria? My name is Steven, and in the next few seconds, I'm going to share with you how you can keep your laundry room, your laundry machine, and your family safe from all of these toxic chemicals once and for all. For years, we've been told that toxic chemicals like this, thank you, and pods like these are what you need to get your clothes clean. So many people do. But here's the problem. This really slimy, goopy blue crap and these pods are not only dangerous to yourself, but here's how they work. They're chemically engineered to leave a film on your clothes. And in doing so, they leave a film inside your washing machine. It's that very film that makes way for toxic bacteria and mold to grow, which causes your washing machine to smell like a dirty gym bag and also be really toxic for you and your family. We knew there had to be a better way, and we've created it. It's actually, thank you, this product right here. This is our laundry machine cleaner. It's non-toxic. You take this sachet, you literally throw it inside your washing machine, set it on a hot cycle, walk away, and it will do all the magic for you. It will bust out all of those toxic odors, smells, bacteria, and mold that has been plaguing your washer for so long. So here's how the laundry machine cleaner actually works. Inside this sachet, there is a blend of different powders and salts that have been specially curated by our eco-chemist to bust out all of the toxic film that has been built up for years and get in all the nooks and crannies and all around your washer and removing all of that junk once and for all. So somewhere on this page, go below, pick the package that makes the most sense for your family and choose how many of these amazing laundry machine cleaners you want for free today. So again, go below the video, pick the package that makes the most sense for your family, and choose how many of these laundry machine cleaners you want free shipped to your door today. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the other side.